amigos! Welcome to Learning Spanish with Nicagal. I am Cristian Meneses Jacobs, tu profesora de español, your Spanish teacher. In this special episode, we're going to make a tropical fruit drink. Today, I want to introduce you to an exotic fruit, the cashew fruit, el marañón. The cashew fruit is native to the tropics, specifically Central America, the Caribbean islands, and northern Brazil. It can only grow in very hot and humid areas within only 25 degrees north or 25 degrees south of the equator. As you can see, the cashew has two parts, the fruit and the hard shell that grows below it. The fruit with the shell hangs down from the tree like this. When the fruit ripens, it becomes yellow or red. One individual nut, which you are most familiar with, is inside each hard shell. It is difficult to get the nut out of the shell, so people toast the shell until it can be broken up to retrieve the nut inside. Each fruit only produces one nut, which is why cashews are expensive. I have known this fruit since I was a child growing up in Nicaragua. At 10 degrees north of the equator, Nicaragua is the perfect location for cashew trees to grow. We had a cashew tree in our backyard. The tree can grow to be very wide. I enjoy hanging out in our backyard because we had many fruit trees. My mother always told me never to stand under the cashew tree or it would stain my school uniform. So I never climbed or stood under the tree. We all enjoyed the fruit juice our cook made out of the cashew fruit. She would go to the yard to collect the fruit during the harvest season, which in the tropics is during the dry season from November through May. She would make a delicious fruit juice that I'm going to try to replicate today. You can buy frozen cashew fruit at your local Hispanic grocery store. I am going to remove the shell and cut the fruit into pieces. As my mother reminded me, be careful, the fruit juice can stain your clothing. I have never tasted the fruit only as a fruit juice. Let's see what it tastes like. It's juicy inside and it's kind of sweet. I filled the blender with 6 cups of cold water. We're going to put the cashew fruit inside the blender. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar. We might need more sugar once we taste it, we'll see. Now we're going to blend it all together. We are going to taste it and see if it needs more sugar. It needs a little bit more sugar. The additional amount of sugar depends on your taste. I like it sweet. Delicioso. Thanks for watching. I hope your tropical drink is as delicious as mine. Please comment below and let me know what other tropical recipes you would like me to explore. ¡Hasta luego! The cashew tree or it would stain my